tell y'all the tea. I have not laid down my hair in a good year. Like, I haven't worn my hair down in a good year. And this is because my hair is so bipolar. I'm gonna call it bipolar. Basically, what this thing does, what it does is when I keep it up, so when I put it up in a puff like this, or if I put it up in a bun like that, it looks so full, it looks so beautiful, it looks whatnot. But then as soon as I put it down, your girl look like she's bald. Like, you're not about to disrespect me like that. My hair is not about to disrespect me like that. So that's partially why I never actually lay my hair down, because of how it makes my hair look. And also, my hair just doesn't want to lay down. Like, it has not been slick since my hair been damaged. Of course, it was going to lay down perfectly because your girl had, like, stringy hair. But now it's thicker. It's been getting thicker and fuller, and it's harder to work with. So, I'm just going to try to lay it down for y'all. So, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. And let's get into the video. So I changed my positioning because there's a lot of sun coming in. Basically, my hair been up in a puff, and that's why it looks so clumped and undetangled. And for this puff, I don't think I want to detangle it either, because that's going to take very, very long. So we're going to figure out what I'm going to do, because I honestly don't know how I'm going to do this. Lip check. My hair is at armpit level. I'm gonna separate my hair and figure out what to do with the back of my head. So what I'm finna be using is, I'm finna be using Eco, and I'm finna be using Edge Booster, because my hair alone with Eco is not gonna go down. And if it doesn't go down with those two, then I'm gonna use some Got2b glue. So hopefully this thing goes down. I'm already starting to look bald. Got the back down. I'm gonna pluck it out some more. So I'm gonna do a middle part because I just look better with middle part. I naturally look better with middle part, so I'm gonna do a middle part. And yeah. I did it. I did it. I did it. I got it down. I got it sleek. I still look kind of bald, but you know, I got my hair down, period. So what I'm finna do, I gotta tie my hair down, keep it down for a good 10 minutes, and then get back to y'all so we can do some little edges, you know, get lit because your girl got it down, period. Okay, so I'm back. So I plucked out the back enough. I don't think it can go any further. So it's time to do the edges. I pinned down here. I'm kind of mad that went big. That's probably why I'm not getting a lot of volume, because if this is not slick, you're not going to get a lot of volume in the back. Alright y'all, so I'm done. Actually hyped because now that I know I can do it, I'm gonna do it more often. If you have a hair type like me, if you have 4C, 4B hair, I recommend Edge Booster. If you want to slick down your hair, just one thing about it, it does flakes. And I can't tell if it's flaking on its own or with other product, because when I used to put it alone on my edges, it flaked. But when I put it with some Eco, it has not flaked. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. Let me know your thoughts on this hairstyle, and I'll see you in my next video.